Welcome to the Pennsylvania Association of Notaries tutorial for combination weights. A common question we hear is, when does a truck need to be registered in combination? Combination registration is required for the towing vehicle when the trailer is registered over 10,000 pounds. A truck towing a trailer does not need to be registered in combination or have a registered gross weight enough to cover the weight of the truck and the trailer if the trailer is registered 10,000 pounds or less. However, each vehicle must be in compliance with its own gross vehicle weight rating. So, what does gross vehicle weight rating mean? Gross vehicle weight rating, also known as GVWR, is the maximum loaded weight of a single vehicle as specified by the manufacturer. You can determine the GVWR multiple ways: by checking the VIN plate of the vehicle, by checking with the dealer, by checking with the manufacturer, or by taking the vehicle to an enhanced inspection station. The VIN plate is the easiest option and what we would recommend at PAN. The VIN plate typically lists the vehicle's VIN number, weight information, plus additional information for the vehicle. The VIN plate could be in different spots on the vehicle. It could be located on the front engine block under the hood, the driver's side interior dash, the front end of the frame, or the driver's side door jamb. Now there's also something called the gross combination weight rating. What does that mean? Gross combination weight rating, also known as GCWR, is the weight specified by the manufacturer as the loaded weight of a combination. Again, you could find the GCWR from the VIN plate, dealer, manufacturer, or an enhanced inspection station. What if there is no GCWR? If there is no GCWR, the vehicle and the trailer cannot be registered higher than the GVWR. One of the common mistakes we see is when people are trying to figure out a combination weight. They will end up adding the vehicle's GVWR and the trailer's GVWR to get the combination weight. This may work at times, but the recommended way to get the GCWR is by one of the options we mentioned earlier. Let's look at a few scenarios regarding combination weights. A customer has a truck that is registered at 9,000 pounds. He is purchasing a trailer with a GVWR under 10,000 pounds. Because the weight of the trailer is under 10,000 pounds, it does not need to be factored into the registered weight of the truck. Scenario number 2. A customer has a truck that has a GVWR of 9,000 pounds and a GCWR of 24,000 pounds, both which are found on the VIN plate. Ask the customer what they will be pulling or hauling with the trailer. They advise that they will be pulling a trailer consisting of gravel that will be around 15,000 pounds. Because the weight of the trailer is over 10,000 pounds, the truck needs to be registered at a GCWR. Make sure to advise the customer that the registered gross combination weight should include the truck, the trailer, the heaviest load, passengers, and fuel. Imagine a giant picking up the truck and the trailer. And he walks the truck and the trailer over to a scale and places them down on the scale. The weight of the scale should be at least what the truck is registered at. Our third and final scenario. A customer has a truck with a GVWR of 24,000 pounds. He will be pulling a trailer with a GVWR of 12,000 pounds. You look on the VIN plate and don't see the GCWR listed. Even though there is not a GCWR listed, the truck still needs to be registered as a combination since the trailer is over 10,000 pounds. You will use the GVWR to register the truck. Remember, the truck and trailer cannot be registered higher than the listed GVWR of the truck. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell to get notifications. PAN thanks you for checking out the tutorial for combination weights.